Welcome to LiteHawk. The all-new Circuit Hot Pursuit slot car set adds a whole new dimension to your slot car game: aerial jumps. For the first time ever, LiteHawk Circuit slot cars can jump through the air and land back on the track. This incredible feature allows you to construct all new track layouts you never thought possible. Circuit Hot Pursuit also adds the exciting Cops vs Robbers theme with a new fully functional police slot car and off-road styled getaway vehicle. Race over bridges, jumps, high bank turns and more, just like a real police chase. Included in the box is everything you need to start racing your circuit slot car set. All required track sections, power base, controllers, accessories and the slot cars themselves are all included. Welcome to the world of LiteHawk.